Hey Eric,
What's up?
I have $5.
What are you gonna do with this $5? You gonna win a pair of shoes?
I think I'm gonna win a pair of shoes.
You're gonna win a pair of shoes too.
I've never won one of these things in my life. I think that means I need to win eventually. Eric, I'm going to win one of these. One day. I'm going for the Yeezy 700s. I know they're restocking, but I mean, might as well.
Why not?
Oh, trash.
I'm so bad at this. One day I will win. One day I will win. Alright, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are doing great. I am doing, I'll give it like an 8 out of 10. I'm excited. I got a mystery package in the mail today. Actually got 2 packages in the mail today, but one of them's a mystery. Bummed out I didn't win the Keymaster, of course. But to be fair, I mean, I never win the Keymaster, so it's to be expected. Good news, really, really exciting news. I booked my tickets to Los Angeles today for ComplexCon. I've never been to ComplexCon. I am very excited. It should be very fun. Oop, that is my address. Please don't come to my house. I mean, I love you, but please don't come to my house. I haven't been to Los Angeles in about 14 months. I don't like LA that much. I know you guys always give me crap for complaining, so I'm not gonna complain. I mean, the city as a whole is fine. I love the culture, I love the people. Just the one thing that kills that place for me is the amount of driving you need to do if you wanna live there. I can't handle it. Thank you for your concern about my wrist yesterday. Lots of you guys thought I was cutting myself or something. I have eczema on my wrist, I scratch it, and then you know, that happens. And no, I'm not saying eczema the wrong way. It's not eczema. I bought jujubes the other day. Who eats these? Just like a regular person, I ate all the other flavors, and I have a whole bunch of black ones left now. I mean, they smell gross, and they taste gross. No offense to you if you enjoy eating these, but I mean, does anyone actually enjoy eating these? I'm curious, let me know. All right, it is noon right now, and I'm actually supposed to meet my dad for lunch, like a block that way. He actually moved offices, and now he works in that building right there. So he's literally like a block and a half away from me. So he invited me for lunch today, and if there are 2 things you should never do in this world, it is eat yellow snow and say no to free food. So we're going for lunch.
Going down.
You're tracking west. Here's some croissant to take on. And what do you have?
I'll just have a smoky meal with the chips and gravy.
So how are the flights and everything? So if you want to do online trading, you might need a...
All right, lunch was good. Really good. All right, I bought these off of Nike. They had a, I don't know if you want to call it a clearance sale on Nike Canada, but they had a whole bunch of Jordans that were like 30 to 50% off, and I saw these and I was like, you know what? I want to pick these up. So I got a second pair of the white perforated ones. I paid like $120, $150 maybe. I don't know. They're still available on the website. I just checked. If you guys want to go scoop them up, I'll leave a link down in the description. Most of the sizes are sold out. There's like a size 12, size 7.5. I was lucky enough to just happen upon them. I was just browsing the website. This pair looks like creased. Weird, you see that? It looks like creased a little bit. I mean, I don't care that much. I'm gonna wear them. I mean, I'm probably not gonna wear these for like a year. Nice pair of kicks. I own so many pairs of Jordan 1s. It's just bordering stupidity. I used to know how many Jordan 1s I had. I had around 50. I probably have around 35 now. I did sell some of the ones that I didn't absolutely need. I sold the New Loves, I sold the camo ones that had a Jumpman on the back. There's a couple more I'm gonna sell. I'll probably get it down to 30, but I own so many just white Jordan 1s, 2 pairs of Yin Yangs, 3 pairs of Yin Yangs, 2 pairs of these, 2 pairs of metallic navies, 1 pair of metallic reds, the Nigel Sylvesters that I just bought. There's probably more that I'm completely forgetting about. I don't know, I love white Jordan 1s. You guys have heard this a million times from me. This is a nice addition to the collection. This is not the mystery unboxing. I knew these were coming. I ordered these last week. They came this week. Nike Canada ships from Europe for whatever reason. It's so strange. All the releases are on European time and they ship from Europe. Nike, just invest in some Canadian warehousing. I'm sure it can't be ridiculously more expensive. Okay, I actually have no idea it could be ridiculously more expensive, but get a Canadian warehouse, please. Nice little addition to the collection though, nothing fancy. I knew these were coming for a while, as I said, so I'm not super surprised about these. What do you guys think of this sneaker pickup though? I think it's pretty good. Here comes the cool part of the video, the part where I have no freaking clue what this is. So basically, I had a subscriber message me a while back, and he said he wanted to send me a package, asked for my address. I gave him my address, and today this showed up from Amazon. As to being from Amazon, I have absolutely no idea what this is. It's heavy, it weighs like 13, 14 pounds. And thank you for sending this out. He hit me up after a video a couple weeks ago and said, hey, I want to send you this out. I think it'll really help your videos. So maybe it's like camera equipment. I can't see it being camera equipment because that's expensive. Maybe it's a tripod, although it's really heavy for it. I have no idea what this is. And I'm very excited. Ooh, it comes in fancy casing. I'm a fan of fancy casing. Oh my goodness. This comes in like a huge, wow. This is a nefarious looking bag. Like, you walk through the streets of a city with this bag, people think you are up to some shady stuff. Like, this is a sketchy bag. I like it. What the heck is this? I don't want to open this up and find like a gun in here or something. It looks like, I know nothing about guns, but this looks like a bag you would keep guns in, does it not? Goodness, what are we gonna find? Where's the zipper for? Okay, here's the zipper. What is in here? What the heck is this? We have a tripod. There's nothing else in here. Another tripod. Oh, hold up. If this is what I think it is, I am the happiest man alive. Oh my goodness. Dude, I just got a softbox light kit. That is amazing. Time for a setup montage. Okay, I have no idea what the practical application of this is. I'm assuming it's supposed to be used as a giant bow tie. And bam, we are done. This is what they all look like. I'm gonna need to grab an extension cord to sort of sort all this out. I don't know exactly how to position these, and I mean, the cord for that one isn't as long as I want it to be. But we're gonna try these out. I'm gonna close this door, block off pretty much all natural light, and see what these look like. Oh my goodness, this looks absolutely amazing. I mean, there's an echo in here, but besides that, this is perfect. I just need a cool background, and then we're good. I'm probably gonna film on that wall in here, which was always the plan. This is gonna be my desk, and I still need to get this TV mounted to the wall. This looks amazing. I have one of them shining off the ceiling, bouncing back down at me, one coming from this angle, one coming from this angle, and then just for good measure, I have that one behind my head. This is immaculate lighting. Seth Fowler taught me how to do this 4-point light setup. I'm probably not doing it completely right, but his lighting in his videos look great. Seth has some of the best production quality on sneaker YouTube, and I know nothing about video making, so him giving me some tips of how to set up lights was definitely helpful for this. How good does this look? There are like no shadows anywhere. Like, there are no shadows anywhere. It's amazing. This is immaculate lighting. This is the best lighting I've ever used in a video, and they've been on for like 5 minutes and they're not hot, which is good because lots of studio lights, it tends to really heat up the place. Like, I'm sure I'm not gonna wanna sit in here for half an hour, but as of right now, these are good. I just need to put a music video on back there and I'm gonna be freaking Bullet RC. This is amazing. Thank you so much for sending these out to me. I truly do appreciate it. I'm sure by the time this video is up, I've already written you an email, but dude, I'm assuming you're watching and just thank you. Oh. Okay, so in a video coming up this week, I wear these and it's really funny, and I just finished filming this video today. I need to edit it. There's a whole bunch more editing work that I need to do for this video, but it is hilarious and I highly suggest you guys check it out whenever it goes up. Tony did a video similar, Name Brand did a video similar. I don't know if that gives you any tips, but I have these, I have some straight leg jeans, I have a Iowa State hoodie. It's a fun video. That being said, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Let me know what you think of this immaculate lighting setup. I think this is amazing. I'm very, very excited. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I'll be back with a brand new video as always. And until then, peace. Okay, like just to convey how awesome these lights are, and I know I'm geeking out a little bit, I apologize, but I'm completely backlit by a 12-foot window behind me. The entire wall, floor to 12-foot ceiling, and you can still see my face. That should not be happening right now. These lights are amazing.